Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. CM Yogi Adityanath directs timely completion of Ganga Expressway. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has issued firm instructions to officials to complete the construction of the ambitious Ganga Expressway project by November this year, emphasizing that there should be no compromise on quality or deadlines. The directive came during his visit to the expressway site on Sunday, where he personally reviewed preparations for a significant upcoming event, the first ever night landing of fighter aircraft on an expressway airstrip in India. Chief Minister Yogi's helicopter landed at 11:56 am on a helipad constructed over the expressway near Jalalabad. Upon arrival, he boarded a vehicle and inspected approximately 500 meters of the newly developed 3.5 kilometer long air strip. The inspection was carried out meticulously with a focus on assessing the surface readiness, lighting system, and overall infrastructure essential for safe aircraft operations. After the inspection, the chief minister moved to a secure facility safe room where he held a detailed meeting with the administrative officials, representatives from the Uttar Pradesh Expressways Industrial Development Authority, and officials from the construction companies involved in the project. During the review, he was briefed on the pace of work and the current status of different segments of the expressway, highlighting the importance of the Ganga Expressway for Uttar Pradesh's economic growth and strategic connectivity. Yogi Adityanath stressed that the project must be completed within the stipulated time frame. He further reviewed the elaborate preparations underway for the landing expresses by the Indian Air Force, particularly focusing on night operations. A first for India's expressways, he directed that all tasks related to the air strip and supporting infrastructure should be completed on priority and that utmost attention should be given to safety and security measures. The chief minister also sought details about emergency response mechanisms, lightning installations, and animal control measures to prevent any untoward incidents during the landings. Officials informed the chief minister that the preparations had been completed. The night landing exercise is scheduled for May 2, while daytime landings will take place on May 3. Senior Indian Air Force officials have been supervising the arrangements to ensure flawless execution of the event. To create a safe operational environment, a 5 kilometer radius around the air strip has been declared a no-flying zone for civilian aircraft and drones. Additionally, iron fencing has been erected around the airstrip to prevent animals from straying onto the runway, further strengthening safety protocols. The 594-kilometer long Ganga Expressway is one of the flagship infrastructure projects of the Uttar Pradesh government aimed at enhancing connectivity between the western and eastern parts of the state. Thank you, guys.